How to prepare your items for shipping. First, you need a box. Lay out all the things that you're going to ship in that box. Then you have your bubble wrap, and finally your shipping tape. So let's get started. Take your bigger items, the ones that are more delicate. You want to wrap them really well in several layers of bubble wrap. Take your tape, tape the bubble wrap shut, place it in the box. There, nice and secure. It will not get damaged during the shipment. Now we'll just continue that. Take your next item, wrap it really well. Place it in the box. This way you know that your items that somebody's paid their hard-earned money for is going to make it to them in good condition. Now if you have smaller items that are loose, what I do is I take and I'll wrap one, then I'll take another one and wrap it, and I'll take another, and so on until I have all my items packed or wrapped up in bubble wrap so they're ready to go. Now they're all packed, all wrapped up in bubble wrap. I think this was a 13 or 14 piece order. One guy bought all my buses, so now they're ready to go into the box, and I can feel assured that they're going to arrive to him in the condition that I said they was in, without any damage in the postal process. So there you go, guys. It's just that simple. So, and this is what a well-packed box should look like. Now everything will arrive to him in the condition that I sold it to him in, and he should be a happy camper. So bear that in mind next time you go to ship. Have a great day.